People say that this place is in the middle of nowhere. I actually say it's at the end of nowhere. And I learnt that quite quickly on the way here for the first time. I was just blown away by the whole scenery, the landscape. You get mountains on one side and the seas on the other, and we like stuck right in a valley. It's incredible. I'm Gareth Ward, head chef and owner of Ynyshir restaurant rooms in Machynlleth. I want you to sit down for 3 hours and have maybe 20 different experiences of flavour. The courses are very, very small now, 1 or 2 bites, but it has to be an explosion of flavour in every single one.
2 intros on table 1, chef?
Really beautiful. So we concentrate the flavour down, so when you eat it, it's just like, it blows you away. You know, I want people to come here and relax, and there's no like kind of rules. People just do what they want here, and I love that. We use as many local products as possible. I met these guys who sell either Humphrey's beef, which is the Welsh Wagyu, which is from Montgomery.
2 Wagyu rib, table 1.
And they brought me a sample and I was just absolutely blown away. I was like, I've got to have this on my menu. We're very lucky to have things out there that chefs dream of. We've got the birch trees in the garden and we have this amazing birch water that we reduce down and make into a syrup. Now the elderflower season has just started, so we'll be out there, we'll be pickling all the flowers, we'll be making cordials, we'll be making vinegars, we'll be making oils. And then we've got the wild garlic after that. There's just a never-ending supply of amazing stuff that's out there for free. I want to turn this into a destination restaurant, you know, where people come here for an experience that they can't have anywhere else. That's our dream and that's what we're pushing for. This part of the world, this part of Wales, this building, the history, everything about it deserves to be at the highest level, you know, and I won't stop until we get there.